What's up, guys? Welcome back. This isn't going to be the typical upload. Unfortunately, the footage that I got while I was riding, the camera angle was all screwed up. The first time it was tilted down too far. The second time it was tilted up too far. I just got to find a happy medium right here with eye level so that way you guys can see the correct stuff. So I still did get a couple of decent videos from a friend of mine who took them on a cell phone. I'll show those to you. I'll also show you the before and after sounds when I put the new GGB mountain can on the sled. And I think that's about it. So we're gonna go riding tomorrow. So right now I'm double checking everything on the sled because I just got it broken not that long ago. I've got 100 miles on it, and I've got almost 8 hours of riding on it already. So I'm just double checking to make sure that my belt's good. There's nothing jacked up with it. It didn't break in funny. I'm checking the deflection in it because they said to check it regularly when it's new or when you're breaking it in. So we're going to do that. And just give it a good look around. Fill it up with oil. Slap the sides on it. Go top it off with gas, and we'll be out of here. So hope you guys like this video. It's nothing too exciting, but it is kind of a taste for what's to come. And yeah, I just hope that we can start bringing better content. I've got 2 GoPros now, so we can hopefully get a couple more different angles on the sled. I've got a couple of points where I was going to try them, but like I said, it just didn't work out. I don't have a second memory card yet, so I'm working on that. But once I get that, we should be in business to be making some pretty decent videos. So yeah, let's get to a little bit of exhaust clips, and then we'll do a few riding clips after that of me, and then a couple of my other buddies that I actually got on my GoPro. So we got the exhaust for the Polaris, or the RMK, I guess, seeing how they're both Polarises. But so we ended up going with the GGB mountain can. It's supposed to be the loudest. We'll see.
Yep.
But that thing's way smaller than that. Monster freaking muffler on this thing. So we'll get some weight loss too, because she needs it. But we'll get a sound clip of the stock exhaust, and then we'll put the GGB in, and then we'll get another video of the new exhaust. Going to go pick up Nigel. Got the sleds back behind me. Then we're gonna meet up with Colton and his dad and a couple of other buddies that I used to go to high school with, and we're gonna go tear up the mountain up here north of Steamboat by Clark. So supposedly the snow's pretty good up there, and should be a pretty good ride. It's not supposed to snow again until Wednesday, but there still should be enough up there to go play. So yeah, we're gonna head up that way, stop, get some gas, and go rip up the mountain. Hopefully we can pull out some Ski-Doos today and some Articats, because I think I'm the only one that's gonna be riding a Polaris. So apparently these guys don't know what a good sled looks like. Just kidding. All right, so we're gonna go up. It's about an hour-and-a-half drive up there, and after that we should be ready to rip. We'll see you guys when we get up on the mountain.
Bye.